Hey guys, it's me, Dash, and today we will be ranting on the children cheering sound effect. Do any of you like this sound? Well, I can handle your opinion. Anyways, let's go and start the rant. Sound ideas: children, crowd, small studio, audience of children, big cheer, cheering 01. What? No! This is a bad sound to use. This sound effect has got to be one of the worst sounds ever since 1999, because it covers up my ears every time. 1. It is my arch enemies. 2. It is so annoying. 3. It makes me and Dot angry. And 4. It makes Dee and Del cry. And 5. It is so annoying, and me and my guys and siblings hate this sound. Many YouTubers use that sound effect many times on YouTube. The reason why I hate this sound, because I'll tell you all of the reasons when the children cheering sound effect pops up. 1. It was heard in a Gwen Gaming Roblox video. When the mother said, "Good job, my baby girl," to her daughter, the sound came up. And when in the other scene, when the dad arrived in the door, the sound begins to come up again. 2. It was heard in a Skeppy video called "So I Trapped 100 Kids in a Village." When the text says, "Like and sub for free cookies, D," the sound begins to come up. 3. It was heard in a Planet Earth video called "Country Ball School" or "Country Balls in the Classroom." At the beginning of the video, in a school background, when the white and black outline text said "Country Balls in Classroom," the sound begins to come up. 4. It was heard in a Pickleball gameplay Red Ball 4 Stupid Boss video. When the 2 other evil cubes fell down, the sound begins to come up. And in the next scene, when the boss fell down, the sound begins to come up again. 5. It was heard in a Kitapets video called "Rain, Rain, Go Away." When the boy hands out baseballs and the 3 kids cheer, the sound begins to come up. 6. It was heard in a Gabe the Soccer video called "Chris Gets Grounded on the Last Day of School," even though me and my siblings like Gabe the Soccer. After the teacher, Miss Ellie, said, "Good morning, class. Are you all ready for the last day of school?" the sound begins to come up. 7. It was heard in 2 Super Simple Songs videos called "The Count and Move" and "Counting All the Way Back from 20 to 1. After when the songs have ended, the sound begins to come up. 8. It was heard in 3 Kaboomers videos called "Simon Says," "For He's a Jolly Good Fellow," and "Let's Rock to Get Ready for Easter." After when the 2 songs have ended, the sound begins to come up, but except Simon Says. When Simon Says, shout, "Hooray!" the sound begins to come up. 9. It was heard in a Kiddies TV Humpty the Train numbers video. When Humpty the Train says, "Today I'm going to take you on a numbers ride," the sound begins to come up. 10. It was heard in a Play-Doh Surprise Eggs video of PBS Kids Surprise Eggs. When the blue box says that someone is going to say yes, the sound begins to come up. 11. It was heard in an Evan Lowe video of the Planets Balls and Spinning Wheel. After the teenager says that the winner is the sun, the sound begins to come up. 12. It was heard in 2 Mother Goose Club videos called "Take Me Out to the Ball Game" and "Want to Buckle My Shoe," even though Dee and Del like Mother Goose Club. After when the song has ended, the sound begins to come up. And after when Jack, Bo Peep, Mary, and Baba Sheep put their hands up and make happy faces, the sound also begins to come up. 13. It was heard in a Henry Hoover World video of the SpongeBob and Krusty Burgers. When the SpongeBob has burgers frying and Henry Hoover pops up on the screen, the sound begins to come up in a split second. 14. It was heard in a video game on Roblox called "Need More Video Games." When the text said, "You're now a millionaire," good ending in the rich ending, and in the other good ending when the text said, "Congrats on winning the good ending," the sound begins to come up. 15. It was heard in the Genius Kids school video called "Of the Hungry Planets." After when the sun shrinks down, the sound begins to come up. It's time for the moment you've been waiting for! Da, 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 da. The final reason the SFX was used. 15. It was heard in a Feeling the Buddy show from Baby TV fan-made video. After when the two balls pop up and the curtains close, the sound begins to come up. I have done all of the reasons, and do you know who likes this sound? Gwen Gaming Roblox and the Cubomus, because they sometimes use the children cheering sound effect in their videos a lot. And also, do you know who hates this sound? Me, Dash, Dot, D, Del, Ralph and Harry, the Powerpuff Girls and the Rowdy Roof Boys, and Cuddles, Giggles, Tootie, and Lumpy. Because it all hurts our ears really bad and makes Dee and Del cry. And I wish this sound gets removed for good. So, end of rant.